In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2020 MCQs. That is, suppose that U1, U2 are non-zero orthogonal vectors in R exponent, and then for V belong to Rn. Solution theorem, that is, suppose that U1, U2 up to one Un or n zero mutually orthogonal vectors in R, and then for any vector V belong to Rn. So V is equal to V dot U1 divided by U1 plus V dot U2 divided by U2 dot U2 plus up to so on V dot Vn divided by Vn Un into Un. So option A is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.